Hello guys, how are you doing? This is the episode 17 of Python tutorial series. So access tuple items. You can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside square brackets. Print the second item in the tuple apple, banana, cherry. Look, it is enclosed in round brackets or parentheses. So print of this tuple of 1, which is when 1 is enclosed in square brackets. So 1 is the second, it will be banana, the second item of the tuple. The first item has index 0. Yeah, we know that. Negative indexing. Negative indexing means start from the end. -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second last item, etc. Print the last item of the tuple. So this tuple equals to apple, banana, cherry, and then print this tuple of -1. So cherry will be printed out. Okay, range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the return value will be a new tuple with the specified items. Okay. Return the third, fourth, and fifth item. So it's gonna be this tuple of in square brackets 2:5. Index 2 stands for the third item. Index 3 stands for the fourth item, and index 4 stands for the fifth item. But the last 5 index number, there is the sixth item. That's not what we want. So it's gonna be cherry, orange, and kiwi. The search will start at index number 2 included and ends at index 5 not included. Remember that the first item has index 0. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. Like this. Print of this tuple equals to, in square brackets we have colon and 4. So it will be apple, banana, cherry, and orange. Orange has the index number of 3. So these 4 items, but kiwi, which has the index number 4, this won't be printed out. So apple, banana, cherry, and orange. By leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the list of the end. Like this tuple of in square brackets 2:, nothing. So this is gonna be, it will start from cherry and then it will end on mango. Cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango. Okay, so you know that. Range of negative indexes. Specify negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the tuple. This example returns the items for index -4 included to index -1 excluded. Okay. So what is the fourth item from the back end? It is gonna be orange. So it's gonna be orange, kiwi, melon, but not the last item, mango. Check if item exists. To determine if a specified item is present in a tuple, use the in keyword. In is the membership operator. So check if apple is present in the tuple. This tuple equals to apple, banana, cherry. If apple in this tuple colon, print yes, apple is in the fruits tuple. So it's gonna be printed out because apple is really there. Now update tuples. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning that you cannot change, add, or remove items once the tuple is created. Okay, but there are some workarounds. Change tuple values. Once a tuple is created, you cannot change its values. Tuples are unchangeable or immutable, as it also is called. But there's a workaround. You can convert the tuple into a list, change the list, and then convert the list back into a tuple. That's what. Now convert the tuple into a list to be able to change it. X equals to, in round brackets we have apple, banana and cherry. Y equals to list of X, and y of 1 equals to QE, then X equals to tuple of Y. Now if you print X, it's gonna be apple, QE and then cherry. Add items. Since tuples are immutable, they do not have a built-in append method, but there are other ways to add items to a tuple, convert into a list. Just like the workaround for changing a tuple, you can convert it into a list, add your items, and then convert it back into a tuple. Okay. Convert the tuple into a list, add orange, and convert it back into a tuple. This tuple equals to apple, banana, cherry. Y equals to list of this tuple, and then y dot append of orange. So at the end of the list, orange will be added. Then this tuple equals to tuple of y, tuple constructor of y. So now this tuple will be apple, banana, cherry, and then orange also. Two, add tuple to a tuple. You are allowed to add tuples to tuples. So if you want to add one item or many, create a new tuple with the items and add it to the existing tuple. Create a new tuple with the value orange and add that tuple. This tuple equals to apple, banana, cherry. And that's another tuple y, orange, and then comma, this tuple plus equals to y. So now if you print this tuple, it's gonna be apple, banana, cherry, and also orange. When creating a tuple with only one item, remember to include a comma after the item. Otherwise it will not be identified as a tuple, rather as a string. Now remove items. You cannot remove items in a tuple. Tuples are unchangeable, so you cannot remove items from it, but you can use the same workaround as we used for changing and adding tuple items. Convert the tuple into a list. Remove apple and convert it back into a tuple. This tuple equals to apple, banana, cherry. Y equals to list of this tuple. Y dot remove of apple, so it's gonna be only banana and cherry. Now if this tuple equals to tuple of y, so it's gonna be only banana and cherry. Or you can delete the tuple completely. The del keyword can delete the tuple completely. This tuple equals to apple, banana, cherry, del this tuple. Then if you try to take print out of this tuple, this will raise an error because the tuple no longer exists. Let's see what sort of error. Name error. Name this tuple is not defined. Okay, so it's almost 9 minutes. I guess this is the end of episode 17. So I welcome you to watch episode 18. Until then, have a great time.